So, you've got the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus robot, and you're ready to let it do the hard work for you. But first, we need to connect it, and once that's done, your Roomba will be all set to clean smarter than ever. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the iRobot Home. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the Roomba J9 Plus robot until the indicator lights turn on. The robot will power up and be ready for setup. Open the app and create or log into your Roomba account. Then select Add a Robot and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, press and hold the Home button on your Roomba J9 Plus until you hear a tone or see the Wi-Fi light blink, indicating it is ready to pair. The app will automatically detect your robot, finish the setup, and connect it to your network. Afterward, you can start, stop, schedule cleanings, customize maps, and check maintenance alerts directly from your phone. And that's it! Your Roomba Combo J9 Plus robot is now connected and ready to take over the cleaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below. See you in the next one!